Interesting. So you would say that your mistakes that you made are more in terms of false positives or false negatives, and
Yes.
I will explain. You like invalidated valid issues, or you approved invalid issues? What were your mistakes in which
Both of
side?
them. Both.
Both of them.
Both was really bad. Yeah.
And how did you get better? Like, what did you do? You just so what kind of tips can you give to like people that want to participate in judging contests so they won't fail?
A lot of people ask me about this, but then I always like don't know how to answer, and I always answer the same thing. You just keep participating. That's what I
Just
did,
give.
and that's the only way I know. You just keep participating, and right now I already participated in like close to 50 competitions already. So
Wow.
yeah,
Wow. So keep
and
going, keep participating, iterate, have this feedback loop. It's very easy with Sherlock compared to like Code Arena, because for Code
yeah,
Arena, you need the
definitely.
backstage role. In Sherlock, you get like the access. You can see all the findings, yourself, your findings, other people findings. You can see what the judge is saying about them. So everything is transparent and open. Hopefully the other platform, also Codex, I think is the same. But hopefully Code Arena, maybe they will decide to change it. I don't know. But it's also okay. They have some kind of barrier to prevent like bots and like newbies that like just hear it for one day and then they give up. So it also makes sense. I understand both sides, like why it's more closed in Code Arena and why it's more open in Sherlock. But it's interesting to see. And because the feedback loop is easier to do, just keep going, keep like participating, and you will get better. And you said also reading the protocol overview, right? So you have a high level understanding of the protocol.
Correct.
Don't just read the findings right away. Do some preparation.
Yes, correct. You should always like do some preparation and some understanding of the protocol and not like jump straight in.